I'm on a bike, yo. Riding down the trail with my homies. I'm out of sight, yo. I don't have a car, it's my only transportation. It's how I get around, son. It's okay, I don't want one. My bike is too fun.
It's G6 on the mic. I go to sleep at night. I wake up in the morning and I wanna ride my bike. Pedals at my feet. My bike is so sweet. I'm rolling down the street. I meet up with my homies. We ride from town to town. And after a big hill, I wanna lay down, but I keep going on. Wanna finish this song. If riding my bike is right, don't wanna be wrong.
I'm on a bike, yo. Riding down the trail with my homies. I'm out of sight, yo. I don't have a car, it's my only transportation. It's how I get around, son. It's okay, I don't want one. My bike is too fun.
So I meet up with my dad. He's looking pretty sad. I said, how are you doing, Dad? I'm feeling pretty bad, cause I haven't been on my bike today. Let's go for a ride, son. What do you say? I'm like, okay, Dad. It sounds pretty rad. Cause after your bike ride, you won't be so mad. So let's get on our wheels and see how it feels to ride a bike faster than a banana gets peeled.
I'm on a bike, yo. Riding down the trail with my homies. I'm out of sight, yo. I don't have a car, it's my only transportation. It's how I get around, son. It's okay, I don't want one. My bike is too fun.
Hey boys and girls, I just did a ride with my dad all the way from Glenora to the Kinsel Trestle where we are right now. Brought the ukulele so we could do a little sing-along. We're gonna do the color song, and I know you're not here to choose the colors, so I'm gonna get my dad to do it. You ready, Dad?
Yes.
All right. What color do you want to start with?
Well, I was thinking green.
All right. Will you wear green, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear green, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear green, it's a shame to be seen. I'll buy me a roly-poly, tildy-tally, secret double, use it cause it rolls to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Oh, another one.
How about pink?
Ooh, pink. Will you wear pink, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear pink, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear pink, cause it makes me stink. I'll buy me a roly-poly, tildy-tally, secret double, use it cause it rolls to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. What do you think?
How about brown?
Will you wear brown, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear brown, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear brown, cause I'll never get around. I'll buy me a roly-poly, tildy-tally, secret double, use it cause it rolls to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. One more.
Well, there's a lot of blue in that sky. Well, not a lot, but there's some.
Will you wear blue, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear blue, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear blue, cause the color's too true. I'll buy me a roly-poly, tildy-tally, secret double, use it cause it rolls to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. All right, boys and girls, hope you're having a great week. Make sure you get outside and get some fresh air. See you next week.
Non-contact time, it's non-contact time. Non-contact time, it's non-contact time. It's non-contact time.
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'm gonna sing a little. We're gonna. All right, boys and girls.